So how's it going, everyone? SPC Boston here. Welcome to another required weekly test. It is Wednesday, July 14th. I'm gonna put my WR120. Fuck me. My HH on alert mode. So I have a treat for y'all. If my camera would focus. Yeah, we got a foreign station here that we're gonna get a weekly for today. Quote 35 from New York City. Alexa, wait on.
Okay.
What time is it? 10:54. Where's my remote for my lights?
Wednesday, July 14th. This afternoon, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Patchy drizzle. Areas of fog early. Patchy fog. Visibility.
We're actually gonna get a
Tonight, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 feet. A slight chance of showers with patchy drizzle until midnight.
let's see. Boston issued a hazardous weather outlook. Also a slight. Oh God, Jesus Christ, my voice. My voice just committed suicide. Let me drink something.
Visibility 1 nautical mile or less in the morning. Thursday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots.
We are also gonna try and get. We're gonna get
Friday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet.
They added WXJ42
10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
to Weather USA. They added WXJ42 to that from Meriden, Connecticut. Oh yes, Daddy. Okay.
Today, cloudy late this morning, then partly sunny with a slight chance of showers.
Look at this, guys.
This afternoon.
WXJ42. That's not a Boston station though. That's Upton as well. So we're getting 2 Upton stations and 1 Boston Norton station. After Boston, actually, I think we'll do 2 Boston, 2 Upton. So after Boston does the weekly, I'll put it on back on WXJ42. Jesus Christ, they added so many. Holy shit. Let's do WXL93. I'll get it ready.
Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night and Monday.
Observations for the Cape Cod region.
Lows in the mid-60s.
It's, guys, it's...
North winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, partly cloudy.
I'm actually gonna do WNG574.
A chance of showers in the morning,
Jesus!
and showers likely with a chance of...
God dang.
And your Plymouth, fog, temperature 70.
Yeah, we got WNG574, which is a successor of KHB35, because it's from Gloucester Marine. It's a Gloucester station, but
Temperature 70. Wind south at 9. Fog, temperature 71. Wind south at 71.
excuse me for a minute, guys.
Boston metropolitan area. It was cloudy.
Yeah.
Temperature was 73 and the wind was cold. Now for the 10 a.m. observations across the northeastern United States. In RWT'S, the report from radar was not available.
Alexa, KHB 36.
Your weather radio for 2.
Alright guys, I have a treat for y'all. We're gonna be getting a station from Virginia, from Manassas Park, Virginia. Wait, is Upton doing it?
Saturday, southwest cloudy 5 to 10 miles from air
12:35 is doing the station. Boston! We're doing it!
Lows in the mid-60s. Highs around 80. The northern Virginia mountains forecast for elevations above 2,000 feet. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio.
WXL 93.
Test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert system tonight. Partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper 60s. Friday, sun in the morning. Test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. Chance of showers. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific
Why they're doing it again? What the hell?
Here are 10 a.m. conditions across southern New England's coastal waters, off the east coast of New Hampshire and Massachusetts. Seas 1 foot or less. And for Thursday night, south winds around 5 knots.
Other storms later this afternoon. 36, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia.
Sterling.
From western Long Island Sound.
All reports are currently
Alright, now we wait for Upton.
Potomac River and Edward Valley with 4 miles an hour. Potomac River and Little Falls 1.0 rising. North Fork River Jasper and Sound 1.9. Temperature 7 knots toward Shenandoah River at Front Royal 1.3. Temperature 6 River.
Alexa off.
Provincetown, cloudy. Temperature 69. Wind south at 7.
And for Sunday night, northwest winds around 5 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Here is the tide information.
I got Sterling. I already did the weekly. Because,
Low tide is at 9:09 a.m. Wednesday, 9:30 p.m. Wednesday, 9:54 a.m. Thursday. At New London, high tide is at 1:38 p.m.
no. I'll do a separate video, on Upton. But, thank you guys for watching this video.
Tide is at 4:59 p.m. Wednesday and 5:32 a.m. Thursday. The offshore waters forecast for south of Long Island between Montauk and Sandy Hook.
That's 1,000 fathoms.